Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Hello, welcome to the College Investor Audio Show. Today, we're taking a look at some payday loan alternatives, especially with COVID-19 really slowing the economy down and a record number of unemployment claims. It's understandable if you're strapped for cash. Payday loans are advertised as a quick solution for your temporary money woes. Yet the only good thing about a payday loan is the fact that you can get cash quickly. Everything else is downhill from there. The average annual percentage rate, APR, on a payday loan can be as much as 391%, according to the Center for Responsible Lending. For comparison, credit cards typically top out at about 30% APR. Yes, paying back that payday loan will cost you more than your credit card with the highest APR. It's unbelievable. Payday loans are costly and you should avoid them at all costs. But I'm still cash-strapped, you may say. What else can I do? Today, you'll discover 10 alternatives to taking out a payday loan. Let's get to it. Ask for an extension is number one. With the current pandemic, companies, landlords, utility companies, you name it, have offered their customers and tenants an extension for making due payments. Ask for an extension if one has not been offered yet. People and companies can be surprisingly understanding, especially in a crisis like this. Getting an extension will give you time to get your paycheck and pay directly from it, instead of receiving a payday loan with those ridiculous fees. Number two, just ask for a payment plan. If your payee is not interested in giving you an extension, ask if they will accept a payment plan. Credit card, utility companies have been offering these for years, but it's not a provision that is advertised usually. So it will be important to get on the phone, explain your situation, and set up a plan to make manageable payments over time. Your payee, usually way more than happy to receive some sort of payment rather than nothing at all. Take advantage of special programs. If you're a student, a veteran, you fall into a particular income bracket or maybe have another special kind of circumstance, you can take advantage of special programs for people just like you. These programs have reduced payment rates for services depending on your special situation. Again, sometimes companies may not tell you about these programs, so call their customer service desk and ask about it. Take out a personal loan from your bank. Although a personal loan may take a while, maybe up to a few weeks to get approved, taking a personal loan from your bank can be another alternative to a payday loan. A personal loan does come with an interest rate. However, that rate is going to be way, way lower than taking a payday loan, by the hundreds of percentage points, by the way. Your brick and mortar bank is not the only option for getting a personal loan. There are online lenders like SoFi. They also offer personal loans too. Now, a paycheck advance is another option. A paycheck advance is just another payday loan alternative you can take advantage of. Now, in this case, you will need to ask your boss about getting a portion or all of your paycheck earlier than the normal payday. It will require that you get approval from your higher-ups at work or human resources. However, if you do get this approved, you will have funds to take care of your needs right now. The wonderful thing about a paycheck advance is that you don't accrue interest on it or need to pay hefty fees. It's your paycheck for the work that you do for your place of employment. A 401k loan. It's another work-related payday loan alternative. 401k loan. Basically, it comes directly from your 401k retirement account. Now, the good thing about a 401k plan is the fact that once you take out this loan, you will not have to pay fines on the loan for at least 5 years, and as long as you pay the loan back within that time, essentially taking a loan from yourself. A credit card cash advance, another payday loan alternative. However, it's important to realize that if you don't pay this back quickly, the fees and interest on a credit card cash advance can build up huge. In the interim, however, taking a credit card cash advance can be much cheaper than a payday loan. Ask friends and family. Okay, I know, you might be too shy to ask friends and family for help, but sometimes it might be necessary to swallow the pride and just ask your friends and family if they can at least provide a little bit. This is an area to tread really carefully, though. In order to maintain trust with these friends and family members, it's so important, maybe it goes without saying, to pay them back at an agreed point in time or once your financial situation gets better. Yeah, your family and friends may not charge you interest rates too or fees, but families and relationships can be destroyed over the failure of a borrower to hold up their end of an agreement. You don't want to get to this point. Credit counseling and money coaching. If you find that you are consistently strapped for cash, not because you have an earning problem, but because you have a spending problem, it might be time for a credit counselor or a money coach. Talking with a credit counselor or money coach can provide a safe and also non-judgmental space where you learn the skills you need so you can make better money decisions. Consider a side hustle. A side hustle can yield money in a few days, and it can be a long-term solution for being cash-strapped. Selling items on platforms, of course, like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or even OfferUp could yield a quick return and get you out in a pinch. A longer-term side hustle could be something like starting a freelance business, and by the way, we have like 80 ideas for you to get started today on a post at thecollegeinvestor.com. Just search the term side hustle, and you'll find plenty of ideas. Here's a question for you, though. Before we go, have you used payday loans in the past? What was your experience like? Again, go to thecollegeinvestor.com. We'd like to hear from you. We'd also just like to help you. If you need all kinds of resources on money, it's all right there. Again, thecollegeinvestor.com. Have an awesome day, and we'll talk to you again very soon. And stay safe.